If you say something, it means something. But if they say something, it means everything. Listen. Another tip in building rapport, you have to listen. You have to listen. God gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason, right? A lot of times we try to force the rapport. Less is more sometimes. It's okay. If they're still on the phone, if you're still in front of them, you're winning, right? You're winning. It's super important to remember this. If you say something, it means something. But if they say something, it means everything. Listen. And just like Gandhi said, speak only if what you have to say improves upon the silence. If somebody's going to be your friend, do they want to be your friend and all you do all the time is just talk about yourself and talk their ear off and never listen to them, right? Some of the best relationships we have in life is a mutual, understanding that we both need to be heard and listen to each other from time to time. So be the type of person that they could speak to, be honest and open with, and listen to what they're saying, because they're going to tell you exactly how to sell them the product. Hey, my friend, thank you for watching. And if you want to see videos just like this one, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the love and support. And don't forget, leave some comments down below. I'm looking forward to all of your interaction and feedback, and I can't wait to bring you more videos just like this one. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.